Hello, my name is Lakin Inman and I am the Talent Acquisition Specialist at Master Services. And today our team joined Richard Talley and his wife here at Monte Vista Church in Maryville, helping sorting the shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. Now, Richard, do you care to tell us a little bit about Operation Christmas Child and the whole process of the boxes?
Certainly. Again, my name is Richard Talley. I've been with Monte Vista here for a lot of years. We have been a collection center for 11 years. We collect shoe boxes such as this that are filled by individuals, families, other churches. We're ecumenical. We have all different denominations and secular organizations such as Civitans and different clubs. These are shoe boxes packed with a list of different items that a child might want. They're packaged by age group and particularly designed for a 2 to 4, 8 to 5, 10 to 14 years old. And these go to kids all around the world that may never receive anything, any type of gift. The best value in this box is the story of Jesus Christ that it sends out to each child to learn what Jesus can do in their life and that someone in this world loves them. It's an expression of love sent to them. Hopefully this goes into their family. The family sees the gift and the gift explodes into the family and gives them a real meaningful gift about the opportunities in life.
Well, thank you again so much, Richard. I appreciate everything that you and your church does for this organization. I'm so glad that y'all let us come and help y'all out.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for being here.